Imagine being at a place of incredible peace, a truly sacred space. Now picture sharing that space with, just hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions of other people. The energy is amazing, right? But the chaos, that's on another level. Managing the flow of humanity in our most cherished places is one of the world's great logistical puzzles. So let's dive into how AI is being designed to bring a little bit of calm to that sacred flow. And monumental, well, that's almost an understatement. We're talking about a scale of humanity that can overwhelm even the most dedicated teams. This sheer volume of people creates a perfect storm of problems, logistics, security, safety, that can really take away from what the experience is supposed to be all about.
So, what does this crisis actually look and feel like on the ground? It's way more than just long lines. It's this complex, tangled web of problems that, honestly, our traditional methods just can't keep up with anymore.
You can just see how one problem feeds the next, can't you? It's a total domino effect. You get these extreme crowds, which lead to those super long, inefficient queues. Those queues, well, they become a perfect playground for things like ticket fraud. And all of this together builds up into huge security risks, including the truly terrifying danger of a crowd surge. It's a high-stakes situation where one little issue can snowball into a catastrophe.
So how in the world do you tackle a problem this complicated? Well, you introduce a solution that's just as sophisticated. So let's meet the KONDA Agent. It's a system designed not to replace people, but to act as a powerful digital guardian, giving the staff on the ground a set of superpowers. Now, the key word here is multimodal. Think about how we as humans understand the world. We don't just use our eyes, right? We use our ears, we read text, we piece it all together. This AI does the exact same thing. It can literally see a ticket with a camera, read the text on it, and even process spoken words. It's combining all these different senses to build a complete, accurate picture of what's happening. And this shows you how it directly attacks the problems we just talked about. It handles ticket fraud with really strong validation. It automatically spots things like queue jumpers or other weird behavior. It smooths out the booking process for special ceremonies, or Save Us. And maybe most importantly, it gives staff a heads up about crowd density and potential problems before they turn into emergencies. Okay, so the KONDA Agent isn't one single giant AI brain trying to do everything at once. No, the really smart thing here is how it's designed, as a coordinated team of specialists, where each AI agent has a very specific job to do. Let's meet the team. First up, you've got the Vision Agent. This is literally the team's eyes. It's always scanning, using something called OCR, that's optical character recognition, to instantly read the text on tickets. At the same time, it's detecting faces to get an accurate count of people, and it's flagging any tickets that look like fakes or duplicates.
Next, we have the Booking Agent. Think of this one as a digital concierge. It handles all the administrative stuff, securely managing bookings for specific ceremonies. This frees up the human staff and makes the whole process way smoother and less frustrating for the devotees. Then there's the Security Agent, who I like to think of as the team's protector. This agent isn't just passively watching, it's actively analyzing. It's on the lookout for patterns in how the crowd is moving. Is one group moving way too fast? Is there a weird bottleneck forming over there? It flags these things so security can step in proactively.
And finally, we have the Flow Agent. This is the traffic manager of the group. Its whole job is focused on the devotee's experience. It's providing real-time data on the queues and, this is a big one, predicting how long the wait times will be. This helps manage everyone's expectations and lets staff redirect people to ease congestion.
So to pull it all together, you have this amazing team working in perfect sync. The Vision Agent is the eyes, the Booking Agent is the concierge, the Security Agent is the protector, and the Flow Agent is the manager. 4 different specialists all driving toward one single goal, making the experience safe, smooth, and sacred for everyone. But having a team of experts is only half the story. How do you get them all to work together like a well-oiled machine without stepping on each other's toes? Well, that's where the most important team member comes in.
Meet the supervisor, or the orchestrator. And I just love this analogy. It's the conductor of an AI orchestra. The supervisor doesn't play a single instrument itself. Instead, it reads the sheet music. That's the overall task. And it tells each specialist exactly when to come in and what to do. It's the brain of the whole operation, making sure the right agent is doing the right job at precisely the right time. And that's the key idea here. Breaking a massive problem into smaller pieces for specialized AIs is an incredibly powerful way to solve it.
So let's see how this orchestra plays a real song. Ticket verification. First, a staff member snaps a picture of a ticket. The supervisor, our conductor, instantly signals the vision agent to scan it with OCR. As soon as that text data is pulled, the supervisor hands it off to another specialist, in this case, a large language model. This LLM is like a super smart fact checker that cross-references all the ticket info against the official database and gives a simple thumbs up or thumbs down. The whole thing takes seconds. It's simple, fast, and completely automated.
Of course, whenever you start talking about AI and cameras and security, especially in a public space, the conversation immediately turns to trust, privacy, and safety. And it absolutely should. So let's look at how this system was designed with those concerns front and center.
And this part is absolutely crucial. This thing was built from the ground up with privacy as a non-negotiable feature. As you can see, no biometric data, so no facial scans, no fingerprints is ever stored, period. No personal information is kept in the system's logs. Any payment stuff is just for show. The whole point is to be a tool for managing flow and safety, not for surveillance.
This quote from the source material just sums it all up perfectly, doesn't it? The goal isn't to replace people, it's to assist them. It's all about creating that darshan, or viewing experience that is safer for everyone involved, faster for each individual, and can scale up to handle millions of people with grace.
And that leaves us with a really fascinating question to think about. If this kind of technology can bring order to the sacred, chaotic flow of a massive temple complex, where else could we use it? I mean, just think about the insane flow of people through a major airport, or the gates of a sold-out stadium, or trying to coordinate a massive public festival. The potential for a digital guardian to help manage the flow of humanity? Well, we're just scratching the surface.